This intermediate double-story house selling at 1.68 million in Lorong Zaaba is still remain its original layout, and it gives so much of potential for the new owner to renovate or redo the house according to their preference. Floor tiles is still the original Terrace tiles. This kind of floor tiles is good to keep the temperature cold so that you won't feel hot inside the house. The house is with a land size of 24 by 75. It comes with a 5 bedroom and 3 bathrooms. What I like the most about the house is the huge backyard. It gives option for the new owner to make it as their garden area, wet kitchen, fitness zone, or to extend the house structure depend on their lifestyle of the new owner. The house is come with a 1 bedroom downstairs and 4 bedrooms upstairs. The house upstairs is with 4 bedrooms. If your family size is small and not require many bedrooms in the house, I would recommend to break the wall in between of the front rooms so that you can have a bigger master bedroom with walk-in closet. For family who are planning to extend the house structure, it gives an option for the new owner to extend the existing rooms at the back with bigger space and with his own ensuite bathrooms. Want to find out more? Don't forget to head to our website to check out our latest TTDI listing. See you next Thursday when I showcase a new home review.